and welcome to the EEPROM 9. Today's subject of teardown videos is this. What it is a nice 1970s military walkie-talkie, complete with your standard military operation, push button operation, 2 attachments for antennas, one BNC, one, well, this, and a 6-position frequency selection clicky lovely switch, and some external input, a volume pot and a selecty thing. We got silica gel and the connectors probably connected to other radio equipment. So let's crack it open and you get to see my new toy in operation. I love the quick select thing. That is so cool. None of this farting around, taking out, putting in that normally annoys me with this type of screwdrivers. Nope, you got a nice Magnum style selection thing, which I like. What I don't like about it is this is not removable, so changing the bits to other ones outside of what it comes with is a bit tedious. And evil fucking proprietary connectors. I wish companies would quit doing that. Apparently the EU is putting in laws to potentially ban proprietary connectors. Bloody hell, EU law doing something right. Who'd have thought such a thing was possible? So now we remove the battery cover, which reveals another cover with standard flat screws, negative, positive, and a total of 9, I think it's C-cells, I think they call them. You know, the type that go in this, not the big, really fat ones, but the next size down. It takes a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which I can't be asked to do the maths now. I'm going to check if those fuses might fit a multimeter out later. I did a review of my Maglite and blew one of my fuses on my multimeters. Luckily it wasn't one of the ridiculously impossible to get fluke ones. So let's show this screwing this. Damn. Now we use our ultra steady left hand. Look at that, beautiful. Makes cracking things open far less tedious. Damn it, didn't go in the slot. I need to go a size down. Anyway, I'll show you it when. Now we lift the lid. This has a beautiful old military smell. Look at that analog goodness. A complete mystery to me, but still beautiful nonetheless. Sadly, our little connector that connects to the battery terminals on the back is a bit broken. So let's have, because I'm not a connoisseur of analog electronics are a little sort of, well, confusing as fuck to me. Whereas digital, yeah, I understand that. So what we have here is basically a load of 40,000 logic. You know, we've got 4001, 4049, 4013, 74 LS196, not sure if that's CMOS. But this is basically a sort of rudimentary discrete logic that just allows some control for some of the basic selections here. Obviously it's still been an analog form. We've also got some socketed ICs, like this one. I think this is an IC. Is it socketed? It's not coming out, but maybe it's not. Lots of these if cans. We got our selection switch and our selection crystals, which you'll also notice on the PCB is marked. And the frequencies we have in here are 50 megahertz. I think it's 50 megahertz. No, 509 point something. I think these might be in kilohertz. So yeah, it might be 50.9 megahertz. 51.6. Yeah, this is kilohertz. This is Yeah, that's 50.9 megahertz, that's 51.6 megahertz, and that one is unknown. These unplug. Now, I don't know where the other three are. They may have been removed because they're reserved military frequencies. Who knows, with hardware this old. They may have been removed by someone like me who just wanted the frequencies for something else. Then we get up here to all the transmitty goodness. We've got power transistors. We've got little itty bitty smaller transistors. Little LC coils. We've got what are probably latching relays, although I'm not 100% sure. There's not much point removing this PCB. There's really nothing under it. And a whole ton of resistors. But I love how they're mounted on these plastic spacers to sort of, well, just stop them moving around. You know, you don't want to be have a bomb go off next to you and then it blasts the resistors to the side, damaging the radio. No, you want the next soldier to be able to rip this out the severed hand of the dead soldier and call in an artillery airstrike on the person who just blew up his friend. We've even got a little hybrid module there, which looks like it's just got more coils. Interestingly, it's clear. I wonder, is it fluorescent? Bear with me. No, it's not fluorescent. In fact, there's not much on this board that seems to be fluorescent at all. Oh, we got the little points on the ICs, and that's about it. Yeah, 70s tech, not too fluorescent. Yeah, quite an interesting bit of kit, I do reckon. Now, I am unable to find model numbers or any reference to this anywhere, so if you can dig up some information online about this particular model of walkie-talkie, do put some links in the description or comments or wherever YouTube decides to dump it next. Because it would be good to actually have some more info on this beast. There's some info on some more famous models, but yeah. There seems to be collectors for military radios out there, and I just got this because it looked interesting and it's electronic and it's military star plus. 3 categories for Simon's attention got. But yeah, interesting bit of kit. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I wish I could tell you more about the theory of operation, but yeah, I'm not much of an analog guy. If me, I could tell you the theory of operation for Raspberry Pi though, but that's the scope of another